You're welcome. Okay, Taylor. Sakura.
No, I'm Yuki.
Yuki, whatever. You're freaking. Did you get your wig?
Right.
Okay. And what's your cosplay, Elise? So yeah, you're Lelouch Lamperon. That's what your tag thing says. Lelouch from Code Geass.
Huh?
From Code Geass.
I know what you're talking about, but where'd you get that from? No, that one's mine. Remember,
You guys have a really great time. Stay together. No messing around. You hear me?
Why were you staring at Sierra when she said stay together?
All of you. I'm staring at every one of you. Stay together.
I'm gonna be good.
Take care of each other. And take care of each other. Okay?
Okie dokie.
Okay.
Yeah.
And make Mom drive safe.
Make her.
Drive slowly.
Guys.
When our dad was driving us to Houston, he got a ticket for going 18 miles an hour.
Bye, Grandma. Love you.
Love you, Mom. Take care of my baby.
He got a ticket for driving 18 miles
Alright.
over the speed
Bye,
limit.
Mom.
I was like, well, I had been driving. I wouldn't be going over the
Whatever.
speed limit.
Okay, guys.
Bye.
Everybody turn around and say where we're going.
Austin.
It's a
No,
little bit
you're a
different,
retard.
but
We're
goodbye.
not going to Austin though.
But why are we going to Austin?
Freaky car.
Wow,
that was interesting. Ikki-con.
So, con mom, which is you.
Con
Yeah,
mom.
whatever.
You're not
Yeah,
a soccer
whatever.
mom. You're a con mom.
Exactly. It's even worse than a soccer mom.
Wow, that's just a
It
way to make her
is.
feel
You
great
guys
about
say
herself.
goodbye to Grandma.
Bye, Grandma. Love you, Grandma.
That's my doggy. Oh yeah, and those little heart boxes, those are just little treats for me because I love each and every one of you.
You got me my pie. How am I supposed to eat my pie? I don't have a
for a
fork.
second, Debbie.
Right. I'm sucking up so you guys will be quiet on the way down there.
I don't have a fork for my pie.
Honey, eat it with your hands.
Ew.
Dude, it's a mini pie. You eat it with your hands.
Now, why would I do a silly thing like that?
Because you're Jordan. Since when do
Okay,
you
now,
follow proper
The
etiquette?
reason we have to go
Oh,
back to Walmart is because